she's old. She doesn't do very much. But they're still paying her every hour she comes to the business. Okay. So they say, in fact, her workload is so light, so small, so light, she could do all of her work in one day. So she has very little work at the business now. And if she did everything in one day, it would lessen the burden of her salary. Again, lessen means make smaller, make smaller. And the burden is something difficult you must do or something heavy you must carry. There's two meanings. So the burden of her salary, it means her salary is tough, it's heavy, it's difficult for the sisters. They must pay their mom every day, every hour she comes, and this is difficult. It costs a lot of money, so it's a burden. It's a burden to the sisters. So they want mom to work less. They want mom to work only one day each week. They want mom to work one day, so they only pay her for one day, maybe 8 hours. Then they can save a lot of money for the business. So that's why they want mom to work less. But mom doesn't like the idea. She says she would go crazy if she retired. Retired means stop working. So mom says, no, I will go crazy. I don't want to work less. I want to come every day. The sisters don't want her to retire. They say she could still come in to the office as often as she wants. She could come every day and do her personal paperwork, banking, letter writing, reading, etc. So, it's okay for mom to come, just to socialize, to talk to them, so she's not alone. They say that's okay, but they don't want to pay her to do her personal work, paperwork, banking, because these are all things she does at work on the clock. On the clock means when you are working. It means during work time. Okay, during the time you are paid. So mom has been doing personal work during work time on the clock. So they are paying mom, but mom is not helping with the business. She's writing letters to her friends. She's reading books. She's not doing work, but she wants the sisters, the daughters, to continue paying her. So it's a problem. It says, if we try to discuss this, mom gets hurt. Okay, when they tell mom, you're costing us money and you're not working, mom gets hurt. She says, just let me know when I'm not worth the money. We don't want to do that. We hope she would see the fairness of this and suggest it herself. So the sisters, her daughters, they don't want to fire mom. They don't want to make her quit. They hope mom will understand by herself, but she's not. Okay, Last paragraph. Business expenses are going through the roof. Okay, expense means cost, right? Money you pay out, right? It's the opposite of income. Income means money coming in. Expense, money going out. So the business costs are going through the roof. Going through the roof means going up very fast. Their costs are increasing. Their costs are going up very, very fast. So they are losing money. And there are updates we should make. Updates means improvements. Improvements. They need to improve the business to make it better. But we can't do the updates. They can't improve while we are paying mom at the level we are. So they can't continue to pay mom full time because the business is losing money. They can't pay her that on top of the money for the buyout. On top of means also, means in addition to. On top of means above and beyond. They both mean same thing. On top of means in addition to or plus. Money for the buyout. Buyout means you're buying a business from someone else. They are buying the business from their mom. So they say, oh, it's too expensive. We must pay mom to buy the business. Plus, we must pay her salary every hour. These two are too much. We can't pay for the buyout on top of her salary too. It's too much. Okay, that's all. Use your dictionary if necessary. Look at the text, use your dictionary, and review the words. Listen to this lesson many times.